Good to Swapnil. And what about you? How was your day?
My day was very good and yours. It's pleasure to see you again, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Swapnil. It's pleasant to see you too. So, what did you do yesterday after the class? Did you work on your article?
No, I have some work.
Oh, you had some work. Okay.
I was, I went to grocery shop. Then I prepared for a poem
Uh-huh.
I, wa- that I will present you today.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward for that role play where you will be a teacher and I'll be a student. But before that, Swapnil, you told me about the vaccination that you went for the vaccination. Did you get it or you didn't get it?
Yes, I get and
I
my
got.
whole
Yes,
family
I
get
got.
vaccine. I
Oh,
got
you
it and
got
my
it.
whole family got the vaccination.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Because now only I was speaking to a friend who is, in the same place as you are, but he has not got it as of now.
Yes,
So,
very from
yeah, a lot of problem, I guess, I know. Yeah.
very from Maharashtra.
Yes, yes. He's from Maharashtra, right? He's from Maharashtra.
Okay, okay.
But then he is now also he's struggling to get. He has not
Yes,
got it
there are
yet.
many people are struggling to get vaccination. It is
Uh,
very
it's
sophisticated
difficult
now.
now. Right, right. I think it's not available also.
Appointment for vaccine, it is very sophisticated now.
Oh,
It is
okay. It is
difficult.
now. Okay, okay. Now people are getting that means.
Yes, because lots of people are going to appointment themselves,
Going
so
for appointment.
and the
Okay.
slots are very less than the people's quantity. That's why the lots of people aren't getting it.
Oh, aren't getting it. That's the problem. Right, Swapnil. Okay. So, Swapnil, let's start with the poem that you were saying. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
you're come on. By the way, what is the poem's name and what is the poet's name? Which poem are we studying today?
Let me
Sure,
show
sure.
screen,
You are
please.
sharing the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
fine. All right. Ready.
Can you see the screen?
I can see the screen. Yes, yes. A Poison Tree by William Blake. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Great.
Today
Yeah,
we are
I,
going to
I have
discuss.
read The Tiger, by the way. The Tiger by William Blake.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting poem. The name of the poem is A Poison Tree by William Blake. So, before we starting the poem, we will get a small bit of information and small bit of talking about the author of this poem, the poet.
Okay.
Here it is, William Blake. It is a romantic poet. It is a 18th century and beginning of the 19th century's poet. He is an
Right.
English poet, painter, and printmaker. He is known for visual arts and poetry of the Romantic age.
That's
His major works are poetical sketches, songs of innocence, songs of experience, and the marriage of the heaven and hell. And the
yes.
poem "The Poison Tree" uh, are published in his collection
Yes,
Songs of
published.
Experience. The
Hmm.
Songs of Experience are published in 1794.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. Okay. So basically, he's a romantic era poet, like we read about William Wordsworth and all, like in
Yeah,
that era only,
he is
right?
a kind of pioneer of Romantic era.
Oh,
Basically, started before the William Wordsworth and the H.T. Coleridge, but in the era, the age, there is a age of reason and enlightenment. They are not
okay.
supported to the romantic type of poetry, so the people are making the people are tell he is a mad and
Oh,
they suppose
people,
he is a
you are
mad
saying people
about
told him mad.
yeah,
They actually, just had a perception that he's
perception
crazy.
about him that he is mad
Yes,
about his art.
yes, yes. Got it, got it. Yes, let's start.
In the poem, A Poison
Yes.
Tree, I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not, my wrath did groan. So, in the first line, the poet is angry with his friend, and he
Yes.
told the anger. Here, wrath means the strong feeling of anger. He told the anger to his friend, and his anger got ended. His anger got dead. And again, he was angry with his foe. Foe means
Enemy.
enemy,
Enemy. Yeah.
enemy. And again, he angry with his enemy, but he didn't tell that he is angry with him, and he didn't explain her anger. And the anger is growing. The anger is growing by day. And
Okay.
I watered it in tears, night morning with my tears, and I sunned with smiles and with soft deceitful wiles. Here's poet is comparing his anger to a tree, how a plantation, because he is saying and I watered it in fears, night morning with my tears. What a tree need? Tree need a water to growth to growing, and
To
here he
grow. Yeah.
grow a tree, and here he watered with his fears and tears. Here tears symbolize life. Tears symbolize his perception about his anger and some kind of uh,
Okay. Okay.
his
All
pride.
right. So he watered the plants with his tears. Means that's showing life, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
He
Okay.
uh, and I sunned with it with smiles and with soft deceitful wiles. And the poet is the sunning and warming the tree with fake smiles and with deceitful wiles. He's giving his hope to the fake smiles and fake vibes to fake swipe about his wrath. He's being good with his friend, but not real in a fake type of.
Right.
And it grow both day and it grow both day and night till it bore an apple bright. And my poor bear it shine, and he knew that it was mine. And the grow and grow both day and night. The
The anger,
point,
right?
the anger, the
Yes.
tree is growing day by night, and the tree is having a fruits. The tree having
Is
fruits,
having fruits. You don't
having
have to see a.
I understand.
Yeah.
The tree is having fruits, apple, bright and beautiful fruits, and his boy is seeing that tree, and he wants to eat that fruit, but he can't do that because there are poet and his enemy. And into my garden stole when the night had valued the pole.
Wield the
In the
pole.
morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree, and somehow the foe of the poet are stolen the fruit of this garden, and he eat the fruit, and he becoming dead. So, and the poet becoming very happy, very glad to see him dead. That's why the poem called it poison tree. It is about the
Poison tree. Because
yeah,
it was, yes.
yes. I think you
Yes, I got
understand that.
it. Yes, I got it. That why it is called a poisonous tree. Yes, yes. Okay, so few things. When the knight had wheeled the pole, wheeled. It's wheeled. The pronunciation is wheeled. And then I'm moving to my foe outstretched. Again, read it for me. Read the whole line for me. My foe.
And into my garden stole, when the night had wheeled the pole,
Very
in the
good.
morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree.
Very good, very good. That's great. Good, Swapnil. Very good explanation. And of course, I have understood this poem also as the previous one. That's good. I mean, you will. I'm definitely sure you will be a good teacher because you can explain the in-depth meanings also. So very good, very good. Okay, just take care of the few and the
Yes,
pronunciation that I
yes.
told.
I'm
That's
going.
that.
learn some grammar rules about it.
Yes,
This
yes. I have forwarded you also that list of the the tenses. You can go through that. That will be a help. I will also give you video. I have a video also with me, so you can go through that also.
thank you.
Okay, so yeah, Swapnil. Now you were saying that you have written something. What is that you have written?
No, I didn't read anything, but I will write it.
You will
Like
write. Okay, okay.
I will share with you.
Have you actually thought about a topic?
Yeah, today we are going to discuss about the extracurricular activities of
That we
children.
will. No, no,
So,
that we will. But before that article, have you thought about a topic? Will you be doing on women empowerment only or something else?
yeah, the empowerment. It is a very great subject, and
It is a great
I also
subject that you
thinking
will do
about
that.
it.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes,
All right. That's great. I like specially want you to write because this topic, as I told you, it's like a topic which everybody can relate to. Like,
yes.
and we
It is a
know.
very vast and tremendous topic.
Right, right. And we can talk
Right,
about
right.
the women from 18th century, what happened to them till now, what is happening. So you can give that contrast.
Yes, yes, yes. I will research on that topic, and I will share some information with you, and then I will make a article on it.
Yes. Yes, so but tell me something before that. Like in 18th century, when we spoke about like let's say that I told you that Miss Elizabeth in that
Elizabeth
story. So
Bennet, right,
right,
introduced.
right, Bennett, Elizabeth Bennet, right. So do you think that sort of women also can be included in this article, like Elizabeth Bennet?
Yes,
Can
yes, yes. That type of humor also included, and also you know about the Bartha Manson, Bartha
yes,
Manson
yes, yes, yes.
in the Jane Eyre.
Yeah,
Uh,
Jane Eyre,
that
right,
type of
right.
female also included because the
Include that we
include
will include, yeah, yeah.
we
Hmm.
will include because uh, she has a, symbol the situation of woman because she had some kind of torture from her husband, and
Right, right. And
also
yes, that can be included in the article because we can see, because we actually can relate that the people, not actually people, but the men. I mean, they were, like it was a kind of patriarchal society, so we can show that in that article. So Swapnil, like these women of course can be included, as I told you, Elizabeth Bennet. You can give examples of the women now also, like the people, like the women who are going to the moon,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
so many tennis
So
players
women
and
are fond of the man. They are being against the man again, and they are being front of man basically.
yes, and it is no more a man dominated society, that you can definitely tell. Okay, now pronunciation of women. It's not women,
Women,
oh, women,
women,
women.
women, women,
Correct. So how do you pronounce it? Is women. See, Vemen. That's how you pronounce women. Yes. So it's not oo, it's women. And it's woman, it's singular. Okay. And plural you call it woman, which is of course I am giving you like in easier terms how you can say women. Women in plural.
women.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
I
yes.
understand.
Okay, all right, Swapnil. All right, so let's talk about the topic that we had to discuss today. Yes, about extracurricular activities. But
Yes.
before that, Swapnil, you tell me, in at your home, what extracurricular activities you do? Do you engage yourself in reading books, or maybe cooking, or maybe listening to music, something like that?
Yes, yes. I will. I will engage in extracurricular activities like
That's great.
I play chess
Oh,
sometimes.
wow. Great. Okay.
Sometimes I and I read very much. I read
Yeah, yeah.
very much
That.
books about literature and also some non-fiction books.
Okay. So do you have a closet full of books? Lot of books are there
Yeah,
in your closet.
and also I do some photography. Reading books and
Oh,
photography are my hobbies.
oh wow, photography also. So what do you like to capture? Is it the nature or what? What sort of photography you like?
I like nature photography or something like a
Okay,
candid moments uh,
great.
and some wildlife photography. I captured many
Oh
birds
wow.
photos also. I
Wow,
will share you
great.
in the next
Yes,
lecture
please
also.
share me. I mean, in fact, I will say that this can be your side thing that you can do with your English literature, which is a very vast subject, and I mean, we both tune to this English literature. But apart from that, I love photography. I mean, I take very bad photos, but I love photography. I mean, I like to see the clicks that people have captured. So I will definitely love to see yours. Okay,
I will share in the next lecture.
that's great. That's great. And Swapnil, what about your? You said that you love reading books, of course. So apart from literature books, like that's your subject. Anything else that you like to read? Like, do you like to read some motivational books also?
Yes, I like to read some motivational book like now I'm reading Who Will Cry When You Die by
Okay.
Robin Sharma. I
Okay.
started reading this book before 2 days, and it is a very good
I
self-help book.
started reading this book two
Since
days ago. 2 days ago. Okay? 2 days ago. Yeah.
but no also I'm reading so since 2 days started.
Okay. Okay. So what is in that book, that motivational book that you're talking about?
Yeah, the author is saying to how to live humble and good because lots of people are losting their directions and
Mm-hmm.
they are not know how to live this how to live
Live,
in
live,
this world
live
live
in
in
this
this
world.
world.
So let's say there is nothing as live humble. You can say people are lost. Actually, people are lost because they do not have a goal.
A goal,
Maybe.
yes,
Yes,
a
yes,
direction like
correct. So like, what is the author telling? How can you get direction? How can you get that goal? How can you achieve something that you want?
yes, the book in is a form in a form of rules like they
Okay,
give 100 and 105 rules about about the things how to do it how to live a life they are like the author is saying how to meditate how to
okay, okay, okay.
how to greet the gratitude towards people and
Okay.
how to be kind to others.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I mean, I feel these are some values that everybody should have in themselves, but that is missing these days. So
Yes.
yeah, that's right, Swapnil. Okay, and what other extracurricular activities? Okay, now you have told about me, but let's say for children like lesser than your age, like school going children, what do you think? What extracurricular activities should they practice?
They can also engage themselves to sports like cricket, like
Like
badminton, football. So they can grow physically also. And you can see in this era of I, I I like to tell this era depressing era like some stress about examinations and some other
yes,
stress and you
yes,
see in this
so much of
pandemic period
stress.
lots of childs
Children.
are locked in the home and they can't go out and play with other friends, so it is very depressing to them to
Yes, yes. It's very
live
depressing.
in the
So,
small
you
world,
know,
small
students
house.
are actually engaging more in video games. That's what the
Yes,
problem is happening.
yes,
Like you
they
are
are,
saying, people they should go out for playing cricket and all. That's not happening. That's the problem.
yes. Yeah, yes, and they are less interested in playing outdoors than indoor games.
That's right. That's right. So I mean, like you play chess. Like, do you know all the
Yeah,
rules and
and
regulations
I also play cricket and badminton also. Sometimes
at home?
when the afternoon there is a very sunny day or I can't go
Okay.
outdoor and I'm feeling boring, that then I play chess.
Oh, you play chess then? That okay? That's great. So, like chess. Do you love chess? Do you know the rules and regulations, everything?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you know. And whom do you play with?
I play with computer. I play online and sometimes
Okay.
with the online players.
Okay, I thought maybe you were saying that you play physically with your brother or maybe with your parents or something. No, not that.
No.
Okay, okay. So I have chess, of course, but I have physical. I mean, I have kept it at my home, but I hardly play. I know, but I hardly play. I like Ludo. I like Ludo. I play
Yeah,
Ludo
I also
sometimes.
play with friends, but
Yes.
online.
Okay, online only. Yes, Ludo is a very famous game these days online. Right, right. Okay, so Swapnil, yes. So since we said that children should be engaged more in outdoor games, that's the first thing. What else they can do for the overall development? And let's say you are a teacher and you as a guest lecturer have to go and talk to the students about the overall development. So what all things will you tell them, advise them?
Yeah, I will explain themselves
Them?
explain them importance of physical strength and some
Absolutely.
kind of physical exercises and I will explain them
Them,
to
yeah.
overall growth, not only a
For
mental
overall
growth, not
growth.
only a study, because uh, only study can't give you purpose or a passion about a life. Also, you need to learn some extracurricular activities to find a
Like to
passion.
build your full personality for
Personality,
overall
yes, yeah.
development. Yes.
Uh, yeah, I will teach him some kind of yoga and uh, some kind introduce them some kind of games that they
That's
are going to engage with
that's
each
really good.
other.
Yes, yes, very nice, Swapnil. That's correct. I mean, I agree with you that these all things should be introduced. But let me go back to your school. In your school, did you have all these things? What you said?
Yes, there is a one period
There
after
was
the
a one. There
races.
was one period.
There was one period after the races, like a physical training PT, and all students are very excited about the period. And
All students were excited. Past tense. Yeah.
yes, and we were enjoying the period
It was
of
enjoyable.
physical
So
training.
only PT, or you had music, dance, and you had games, other games also, or you had? Did you have debates, speech competition, drawing competition? Did you have all these also?
Yeah, occasionally.
Okay, okay, all right, all right. Did you? So what? Which activity did you most participate in out of all?
Yeah, participating in games like cricket and badminton also, and
Oh, I participated. Yes. Hmm.
yes,
Okay,
and
mostly in games.
some pitches there are a competition on Lokmanya Tilak Jayanti. Do you know Lokmanya Tilak, freedom fighter? There
Huh?
are they organize a speech competition.
Okay.
So I participated in, and I will.
You won? Did you win?
Yeah, two times.
Oh, twice you have won. So I also participated in many dance competitions, and I was into debates and speech, elocution. So I won inter-school competitions long back, 10th, 11th class, I remember. So it was great. I mean, in school, you get a lot of opportunities, I feel. I don't know about college. College, did you have any competitions? I didn't have any
Yes,
competitions.
I'm going for a youth festival.
Oh, you are
I went
going
for
or you went?
youth
Oh, you
festival
went. Okay.
for
Okay.
4 years, and I won for 2 years.
Oh, wow. What is
Yes,
youth festival? I don't know. I didn't have in my college. What is that all about?
the festival is organized by university. The all
Organized.
colleges, all colleges
Organized.
organized. All
Huh.
colleges of universities are uh,
Together. Come together.
come together, and it is and all colleges are prohibited to
To
uh,
showcase something. To showcase.
showcase and
Yeah, yeah.
so and make a part of it. They are prohibited to make part of the competition. So
Okay.
lots of students are come there to showcase their talent, and I was also went for there for photography, and there are
You
competition of
went for
photography.
photography.
There are
Okay.
competition of photography, and all the years when I was in college, I participated in the competition.
Oh wow, see, you have actually had an experience also in photography because you went and I mean, you won also. That's great. That's great.
Yeah, yeah.
So okay, so that's good. I mean, I feel schools and colleges give us an opportunity to know better, to know ourselves better, isn't it?
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, because we don't get it now. Like you are studying now at home. I think you are hardly getting this. You have to just study, study, and study by yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, right, right. So, like in online classes, also, are they taking something like that, like quizzes and some other competitions, or no?
No, no, they only teach and they only speak, and they are not aware of students. They are the in the online class, or teacher's purpose is only to complete the lesson, complete the chapter.
Correct, correct. No,
That
that
is
is
not
not
good.
their
That
fault.
is not good. That's why our education system
Is
is.
lacking. Yes, yes. Actually, the problem is infrastructure for the teachers is very new. So now they just want to quickly, complete it. I mean, that's because, and I feel completely it's
Yeah,
very bad.
and
It's not
also
right.
there are some kind of traditional teachers, and they don't know about the online teaching, and
That's what I'm saying. They don't know only. That's right. So I feel the
they don't
government
like
should give
teaching online.
something.
They are
Yes,
also
the government should give, that, yeah, that's right. All right, Swapnil, that was a great session, great talking to you as well. And I'll quickly give you today's feedback also. So, yeah, I mean, you taught very well. You are actually doing very well in like every day, you're learning something. Just take care of the small things like that women pronunciation and uh, and the past tense sometimes that you are making mistakes in. Rest all you are doing well. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, anything else?